Remedy prostate disorders. Prostate cancer is typically treated with chemotherapy or radiation therapy and surgery. In most cases this treatment is extremely effective, and because of the slow progression of prostate cancer, the disease can be prevented from spreading. Prostatitis treatment depends on the type of prostatitis, but in most cases it is treated with painkillers and medications like alpha blockers. While this can help with acute prostatitis, chronic cases may also be treated using natural remedies. Some methods of natural care that have been supported by scientific studies include: acupuncture has been found to help provide relief from inflammation and pain, although the mechanism of action is not understood. Hyperthermia or heat therapy has also been found to help in the treatment of chronic prostatitis. This approach involves the application of heat to the prostate in order to provide relief from the symptoms. Whether it is an enlarged prostate, prostatitis, or prostate cancer that is being treated, natural methods of treatment can offer some help in minimizing and relieving symptoms or in reducing the side effects of treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. Treatment with popular herbal remedies that use ingredients like saw palmetto, ryegrass, stinging nettle, green tea, and milk thistle among others are also believed to help, but not all of these claims are supported by research. Some studies in fact suggest that some of the positive findings in regard to a few of these herbs may have more to do with the placebo effect. Diet for prostate disorders. The role of diet in prostate disorders is not completely clear, but there are several studies being conducted into the link, and some that already suggest that diet may have a role to play in the development and outcome of certain types of prostate disease. According to some natural health enthusiasts, the following diet tips could help: consume foods rich in antioxidants like grapes, most types of cherries and berries, apples and plums among various other fruits. Reduce intake of saturated fatty acids, dairy products, yeast, sugar, because these items when consumed, place an increased load on the immune system. Do not consume any alcoholic or caffeinated products, especially after your dinner. While it is important that you consume an adequate amount of water, you should make sure that your fluid intake is spaced out through the day. Avoiding drinking large amounts of fluid at one go, especially for at least 2 hours before you go to bed. Some studies suggest that the highest risk and the strongest symptoms of benign prostatic hypertrophy are to be found among men who consume the most calories. In addition to this, men whose intake of protein is more than normal also had a higher risk of BPH. On the other hand, soy and foods like legumes, apples, and onions may prevent the symptoms of benign prostatic hypertrophy. Suggestions for prostate disorders. Prostate disorders are typically associated with age, but there are other factors that increase the risk for developing prostate diseases. Most studies seem to indicate a higher risk among men leading sedentary lifestyles. Stress levels may also be an influencing factor. Exercise and physical activity are therefore extremely important to men. Whether you join a gym and pump iron or simply play tennis over the weekends and go for daily walks, it would be a good idea to keep active. Physical activities like these and others like swimming and various sports can also help to alleviate stress, further lowering your risk of not just prostate disorders, but various other lifestyle diseases as well. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.